Here we are given a quadrilateral ABCD with three angles as 90 degree each. So what will be the measure of this angle? This angle will be 90 degree because sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So this will turn out to be 90 degree. Right? It is also given that DE and DF are equal to each other and we need to find angle AFE. Which angle is angle AFE? This angle we need to find out. We need to find out this angle. Yes. And we are given that these two sides are equal to each other. Okay. So as we can see that this angle about this point, I'm coloring it. This is total 360 degree. Yes. So what will be angle FDE? It will be 360 degree minus 110 minus 90 degree. And what we will get? We will get 160 degree. This angle will be 160 degree. Yes. Now look at triangle FDE. As we know that FD is equals to DE, which two angles will be same? These two angles. Angle EFD will be equal to angle FED. Yes, these two angles will be same. So if this is 160, what will be the value of these two angles? These two angles will turn out to be 10 degree each. Yes, because in triangle FDE, sum of three angles is 180. That is why those two angles are 10 degree each. Yes, now we have found this angle. We can easily find AFE now because angle AFE and angle EFD forms a linear pair. That means sum of angle is 180. If this is 10, what will be this question mark? This will be 170 degree. That means the answer for this question, angle AFE, will be 170 degree. This will be our final answer.